There are days when time feels like it's standing still. The world outside can wait because inside these walls my heart lives in the form of a tiny person. This morning isn't about routines, it's about us, me and my baby, living a little story, making a memory that no camera could ever fully capture. Good morning, everyone. Let me take you through our morning, just the way it happened. No filters, just love. He is still asleep, his little chest rising and falling. I could watch him like this for hours. So peaceful, so innocent. My whole world wrapped in this tiny body. The first thing I see is him, sleeping soundly, cheeks full, lips slightly parted, dreaming. Baby dreams I wish I could peek into. I sit quietly beside him, just watching. Time feels slower when he sleeps. And then, just like that, he begins to stare, a soft yawn, arms stretching like he's reaching for the sky, eyes half open, still floating between sleep and sunshine. And then that smile, that sleepy magical smile that lights up everything.
Good morning.
My little sunshine always does this. He plays with this rug and pillow like it's a treasure, and I just sit there, soaking in this slow magic before the day begins. I lean in to give him his morning kiss, but this little rascal pushes my face away like a game, and I let him win because it's his morning, his moment, and I am just here to soaking it all in. Next comes the part no one talks about in fairy tales, the diaper change. But even this has its own kind of beauty. Alright, little mister, time for a fresh start. I know you don't always love this, but Mama will be gentle. Promise. It's such a small moment, but in these small moments, I see how much he is growing. I blink, and he is not so little anymore. For breakfast, I made his favorite rice and date puree with some ghee, warm, soft, just sweet enough. But of course, today he decided he is not in the mood. Come on, sweetheart, just one bite? No, not even a taste. I try again, still nothing. So I scoop him up in my lap. That's where he always feels safe. I hold him close. He looks up at me, eyes full of trust, and slowly opens his mouth. That's my good boy. After a few spoonfuls, the explorer in him wakes up. He grabs the spoon with his tiny hand. Now he wants to feed himself. Messy? Absolutely. But the pride in his eyes, the joy on his little face as the puree ends up everywhere but his mouth. That's the memory I want to keep forever. After he is full, I rest him on my shoulder, patting his back in rhythm with my heartbeat. He burps softly, and we smile. Even this is a memory I will never let fade. Now, after feeding, it's time for some play. His favorite part of the morning. He spots his daddy, and that excitement in his eyes can't explain. Go, tiger, come on, get him and pull dada's ear like you always do. He grabs Daddy's hair, tugs gently, and bursts into laughter. It's the kind of laugh that fills the whole room, just pure. And then it's time for the yellow ball. He throws it across the bed, then crawls after it like it's a treasure. The way he giggles when it bounces, priceless. He shakes the rattle and watches it with wide eyes, as if it's performing a show just for him. And finally, he reaches for Mr. Octopus. Watching him play, watching him discover joy in the simplest things, that's the kind of magic I never want to forget. After all that play, he starts getting cranky and sleepy. Now it's time for his morning nap. He sleeps and I stare because he will never be this small again. Every morning isn't perfect, but it's perfectly ours. I don't want to forget a single thing: the yawn, the spoon mess, the giggles, even the cries. I am not just living these mornings, I am collecting them like tiny treasures in my heart. Thank you for being with us on this quiet, beautiful morning. May you find the magic in your own routines and turn them into memories that last forever.